Innovation. For us, it's more than just another buzzword. It's what drives us to do better, be better, day after day. It's what pushes us to never be satisfied with status quo and never settle for anything less than extraordinary. From our world-leading RVing products, components, and technologies to our first-class manufacturing capabilities for the automotive, commercial vehicle, marine, and utility trailer industries, our team is committed to rethinking and pushing the possibilities of our products, our manufacturing, and our services. With more than 14,000 team members worldwide who have an unwavering commitment to innovation, growth, and more importantly, each other, we've proven time and time again that together we can do just that. And even more for the people inside and outside our walls, customers, community members, and teammates alike. That's our commitment to you. That's Lippert.